And please note that this is not a real person or a real address. It's just for sample use. It will bring you here. Where did you obtain your secondary school certificate? Nigeria. Click on continue. Then you fill in the details of your secondary school certificate, the date on the certificate, the name of the certificate, 2004. The name of the certificate is West African Senior Certificate, or whatever certificate it is you're using for your application. For mine, I'm using the West African WAEC certificate. And here it says if you cannot find the name of your certificate on the list, you can input it here manually. But since we found ours, we're going to continue. Have you previously studied at a university? If you have your bachelor's, yes. If you don't, it will be a no. Continue. Period of your university study. So your country again. Nigeria. Next. You input the details of your university. No university is listed here, so we're going to have to input all manually. So I have University of Lagos, type of course, Bachelor of Science, and then since it's there, we leave that one. Subject will be economics or whatever your degree course is. The length of study period will be from September 2005 to plus ASU strike and all. We have 5 years. October 2010. Again, please note that this is just for sample use and the information here is not an actual one. Course successfully completed. Yes. Continue. So it brings you here where you have all of the information. You have your personal data, your correspondence address, your telephone if you had imputed it, your email address, your qualification, and then if it's correct, you confirm and continue. If it isn't correct, you can edit the information here. So I'm going to click on confirm and continue. And so it brings you here, and then you choose the semester you're applying for. Summer semester 2020, for example. And then you choose your desired qualification, whether you're applying. If you're applying for a bachelor's degree or a master's degree or a PhD, whatever, I'm going to choose master's. And then the school, I'm going to just choose one here. And for here it says choose the academic field you're interested in. This can be very confusing, so we're going to ignore here and just come here. It says please enter course name or letters in the course name, blah blah blah. And our course name is International Business. I'm going to try this one, International Business. So I type it here, International Business, and start search. So if you made a mistake here, you can come back here to edit, but this is what we're searching for. Yep. So this is what we have here, and this 3 dot means that application for this degree must be submitted via Uni-Assist, and this is where we are. But currently the application portal isn't opened, so we cannot apply now. We'd have to wait till it's open. This is just to give you an example as to how to get here. Let me try and look for anyone that the application is open. One other thing, if you don't know the exact course name, you can just clear this out and just put in the first details, which is the semester, the qualification, and the school, and to bring out all of the degrees from that school, like so. So here, these are all the degrees here, and we can see that for this one, which has a sort of a house icon, it says please apply directly at the university for this degree course, meaning you're not supposed to apply via Uni-Assist. So for clothing, technology and confection, with business administration, general, distance learning, you have to apply directly to the school for these courses, and the others are through Uni-Assist, but then the application period is not yet open. And so let's look for one that the application is already opened. This, and start search. Let me go for e-commerce. This is a summary of the course, summer semester 2020, Wedel Fachhochschule Wedel, a master's in e-commerce. And then the desired course semester is first semester, unless you're doing a higher semester. But for us Nigerians, there's no way you'll be doing a higher semester from Nigeria, only if you've been here and then you want to transfer to another school. So for this purpose, we're going to be choosing one, and then we create application. Yeah, so the first step is to edit application data. There's nothing to do here. We have filled in all of the requirements here. Go to next step. So here you can upload all of the necessary files that the school might have asked for, and then we'll start with, so for this application form, I'm going to teach you how to download the application form, because you have to finish filling the form before you have your Uni-Assist application form, unless the school has an application form on their website that you have to first print out and then upload here. If that's the case, you have an application form. But if you're using for the one from Uni-Assist, you'd have to first finish somewhat and come back here and upload it.